What do you think happens when we die?
When we die? Great question. When you're born, you are like a single drop of water flying upward, separated from the one giant consciousness. You get older. You descend back down. You die. You land back into the water, become one with the ocean again. No more separated. No more suffering. Death is a happy return. Like coming home.